Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Thursday, the 12th of November, 2020, also known as Mr. Kyle Morris's 12th birthday. Taking a look at our homework this evening in math. We've got practice 5.5, except for fourth period, you are doing practice 5.4. The accelerated class has practice 7.5. Remember, 30 minutes of Moby Max is due by tomorrow. In science, we have lesson review, page 469, numbers 1 through 4 and 7 through 9. Make sure you're utilizing your textbook as well as your class notes to answer that. In the accelerated class, there is no homework. In social studies, you need to finish up your Lucy slides, as that is due tomorrow. In language arts, fourth period, you have got your writer's packet, page number 5, editing. Make sure that you do fill out the mugs portion. All classes need to review the writing process, flip notes that they've been taking this week, because we do have quiz number 2 over that coming up on Friday. It is worth 10 points. In the accelerated class, you need to study your notes as well for the quiz. In literature, if you've not yet done so, you can take the Thank You Ma'am quiz by Langston Hughes. Also, your Draw It activity is due at the start of class on Friday. And we need to make sure that with our pacing guides that we've set up for reading, that you are where you need to be at the end of November 12th. In Career and Life in FCS 6, there is no homework. That's it for today. Everyone have a fantastic day, and we'll see you tomorrow on Friday the 13th.